Your mind is the most dangerous erogenous zone you'll ever own. One thought, one glance, one memory, and suddenly fire. But what if you could control that fire? Today, we're diving into the secret science of why your brain hijacks your body and how 10 life-changing books can help you master it. Let's start with thinking fast and slow. Nobel winner Daniel Kahneman proves your brain has the systems. One primal, one logical. When you see hot women in public, pause. Your primal brain screams sex before your logic brain even boots up. That's why your body reacts its ancient code. But here's the twist. You can reprogram it. Want to stop feeling like a puppet to your instincts? Keep watching. Emily Nagoski's Come As You Are isn't just about sex, it's about the gas and brakes in your brain. Imagine your thoughts are matches, but society, shame, or stress, those are buckets of water. Nagoski teaches you to douse the buckets and light the matches on purpose. What if your horny isn't broken, just buried under noise? Here's the brutal truth. The more you fight a thought, the louder it screams. The body keeps the score, reveals how trauma or guilt can turn innocent thoughts into obsessions. But the solution? Stop fighting. Lean in, let the thought pass like a storm. It can't drown you if you don't panic. Stick around, the exact 3-step fix is coming. Enter mindfulness in plain English. Imagine your horny thought as a train. You don't have to board it. Watch it roar past, breathe, let it fade. This book trains you to be the station master, not the passenger. Freedom isn't killing the desire, it's choosing not to chase it. The ethical slut drops a bombshell. Horny thoughts aren't evil, but acting on them, that's where ethics matter. This book isn't about orgies, it's about radical self-awareness. Next time your mind races, ask, is this my desire? Or just society's taboo making it feel hotter? The biggest lie about desire. You're about to learn it. 6 at Dawn shatters the myth that humans are naturally monogamous. Your caveman brain, it's wired to notice every attractive person. But here's the fix. Accept the impulse. Then choose your values. You're not an animal, you're a human with a prefrontal cortex. Use it. You're not broken. You're evolutionary. Let's fix this. Step 1. Name the trigger. Was it their laugh, their confidence? Step 2. Pause. Breathe for 6 seconds, it resets your nervous system. Step 3. Redirect. Channel that energy into a workout, art, or a cold shower. Books like The School of Life call this sublimation, turning fire into fuel. But what if the thoughts keep coming? Final weapon. Next chapter. Esther Perel's Mating in Captivity asks, why do strangers turn us on? Mystery, distance, danger. So hack your brain. Fantasize safely. Write stories. Flirt with your partner like they're a stranger. Your mind craves novelty. Give it a playground that doesn't burn your life down. You don't need to cheat reality, just upgrade it. Your thoughts aren't your enemy. They're data, a mirror of your needs, fears, and untapped power. Read these books. Master your mind. And remember, you're not a slave to biology, you're the pilot. Want the full reading list? Smash the like button and comment, I'll send it free. Your mind's waiting. For the man who feels weak, trapped in a cycle of pornography and shame, this is for you. You're not alone. Millions fight this battle every day. The first step, acknowledge the problem. Pornography isn't love, it's a drug. Your brain craves the dopamine hit, but it leaves you emptier than before. The second step, replace the habit. Every time you feel the urge, do 10 push-ups, write a journal, call a friend. The third step, seek help. Therapy, support groups, or even a trusted friend can be your lifeline. You're stronger than you think. Your mind is a battlefield, but you're the general. Take back control. One thought at a time.